Are blue-collar jobs safer than white-collar jobs? For years, people assumed automation would replace blue-collar jobs first. Factories would be run by robots, self-driving trucks would eliminate trucking jobs, and machines would take over manual labor. But what if I told you that right now, white-collar jobs are actually at greater risk? The rise of AI is proving that many office jobs are just as vulnerable, if not more, than blue-collar work. Today, I am going to break down why this is happening, which jobs are at risk, and what you can do to future-proof your career. For decades, society has placed white-collar jobs on a pedestal. Going to college, getting a degree, and working in an office was seen as the safest career path. Meanwhile, blue-collar jobs were often viewed as less prestigious and more easily replaceable. But here is the problem. Most white-collar jobs are built around repetitive, predictable tasks. Data entry, email management, scheduling, research, customer service, and even some aspects of finance and legal work are highly structured. These are exactly the kinds of tasks AI is built to handle. On the other hand, blue-collar jobs often require physical skills, adaptability, and real-world problem solving. Whether it is an electrician troubleshooting a wiring issue, a plumber fixing a leak, or a mechanic diagnosing an engine problem, these are tasks that AI and automation struggle to replace. A robot might be able to assemble a car, but can it accurately diagnose a specific engine issue in a used vehicle? Can it navigate the unpredictability of a construction site or a home renovation project? Let's take a look at what is actually happening in the job market. Data entry and administrative roles are being automated at a rapid pace. AI-powered tools can now extract and organize information instantly, making traditional data entry jobs almost obsolete. Customer support and call centers are being replaced by AI chatbots and voice assistants that can handle inquiries 24/7 without human intervention. Finance and accounting departments are shrinking because AI can analyze financial statements, detect fraud, and generate financial reports faster and with fewer errors. In marketing and content creation, AI is now generating blog posts, video scripts, and even entire advertising campaigns, reducing the need for human writers and editors. In the legal field, AI is scanning contracts, summarizing case law, and even drafting documents, significantly reducing the demand for entry-level legal professionals. Meanwhile, blue-collar jobs remain relatively safe. Trades and skilled labor, such as electricians, plumbers, welders, and HVAC technicians, require hands-on expertise and real-time problem solving. Construction and manufacturing still rely heavily on human workers to operate machinery, oversee projects, and adapt to constantly changing conditions. In healthcare, AI can assist with diagnostics and administrative tasks, but it cannot replace nurses, caregivers, or physical therapists who provide hands-on care and human interaction. Even in transportation, where self-driving technology is advancing, experienced truck drivers, pilots, and heavy machinery operators are still necessary for safety and oversight. The reality is that corporate America and higher education have long promoted the idea that white-collar work is superior, but in doing so, they have ignored how inefficient many office jobs actually are. A significant portion of white-collar work involves attending unnecessary meetings, responding to emails, filling out spreadsheets, and managing reports, tasks that AI can now perform more efficiently. Many companies are realizing that they no longer need large office staffs to keep operations running. The days of getting paid just to look busy are coming to an end. So what does this mean for you? If you work in a white-collar field, now is the time to adapt. Learn how to use AI tools to your advantage instead of fearing them. Specialize in areas that require strategy, creativity, and human insight, things AI struggles with. If you are in a blue-collar job, the future looks promising. Demand for skilled labor is growing, and these jobs are becoming more valuable as AI reshapes the workforce. The shift we are seeing is not about white-collar versus blue-collar, it is about automation versus adaptability. Jobs that rely on predictable, repetitive tasks are at risk. Jobs that require hands-on skills, human judgment, and real-world problem solving are much harder to replace. Do you think white-collar jobs are in trouble, or do you believe AI will create new opportunities? Let me know in the comments.